The Indian state of Meghalaya celebrates U Tirot Sing Day on every 17th of July as a regional public holiday. This celebration honors Tirot Singh, a Meghalayan freedom fighter who led an 18th century revolt against the British. In addition to numerous religious and tribal festivals, the northeastern states of India celebrate a number of holidays honoring local tribal leaders who resisted the British colonization of their territory during this time period. U Tirot Singh was one of the most distinguished.
Bagajak berdiri kasensia terputar ngidon kita ki orang basenong ngeleng nong api upatsia halo konsel ya ke bakila benekai ka bomon damia senia damia kerjaan politik mamaliam kapsauski dan melalong siem keleng ki hima ki badan ki acting siem dengan translate kasih siem le mele jing thamba kata ka jing te marau yung nyotrat bolong kapang ngalo bakalong retpat kalong kapang bat kata kadai tinggi jengai ke Indian Union bagi nasnam ngin sarai lailut arsnam parkot la thom da kabor penyela pelong nong India ini tengihun kum kisamain keempat ya kubur kena ngiladan menta hada kejeli ba jongger India kamlelai kot ya kata tangba ko sangi pangipan ni KLP puram